I'm in a place that's surrounded by beautiful, lush greenery. See that here. And it got me thinking, the data that we have in our system, including Salesforce, is not good. It's actually very similar to the green foliage around us. It needs two things. It needs lots of sunshine, water, and a fertile land. And when you think about your customer information inside Salesforce, it's actually very similar. It needs to be taken care of, pruned on time, trimmed, and ensure that anything excess or dying is removed so that we can make way for the new stuff. That's what you can do when you think about reducing data in your org. You want to prune it, you want to do data retention, you want to delete obsolete records so that what you have is current. It makes sense for your users, makes sense for your business flow, and it keeps you compliant from a legal standpoint. So by doing that, you make your production data leaner, your systems work faster, your reports are better, more accurate, your dashboards work better, your user adoption goes up. The second part of this is this data then gets duplicated across all your sandboxes. And from a data reduction perspective, you want to mask it and make sure that this information, this secure, sensitive, confidential information is not scattered around in 15 other places. That's where data masking comes in. So as soon as you create or refresh a sandbox, you want to trigger data masking and mask data. I work with a lot of customers who are struggling with one or both of these aspects. The thing that I find is that the good ones really understand that they need to do a balance between the two. So they take a lot of effort into making retention policies that will eliminate production data that's not needed anymore. And then they would switch over to the sandbox side and make sure everything that's going out is masked. Any detail from a customer perspective, any business sensitive data is not setting hazards in their sandboxes. And they do it regardless of the fact that they have only employees or contractors or whoever. The point is anything that doesn't need to be there shouldn't be there. When we do that, the nature of our data growth takes course and it becomes lush, fruitful, and beautiful as the one behind me. Hope this is useful. Thank you so much.